Oh man guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video. We are going to bring back something that you haven't seen in a while. We're bringing back the 5.0 engine push rod for the Fox body. Now let me go ahead and tell you this real quick. I've gotten a lot of stuff for this engine to kind of piece it together. This right here is my 1995 Mustang GT motor. It got Summit Racing Pro Dart 1 heads on here already. The block is stock, everything else I got to build. So I'm planning on doing a heads, cam, and intake build. Let me go ahead and show you the parts that I have. I've got an Explorer upper and lower intake. Thank you Mod Addict, go ahead and check out his channel right up here. I got a timing cover, which I do have comp cams, timing chain somewhere. It's in there somewhere. This is all miscellaneous parts. I'm not going to put it on yet because I do not have the cam for it yet. I also got a whole bunch of miscellaneous stuff because I had to piece this engine together. So I got the power steering bracket with the power steering and the AC compressor. More than likely I'm not going to run AC on this since it's going to be a drift car. And also this power steering pump, I didn't have the actual pulley for it, and as you can see, I had to make some stuff work, but luckily I already had one. Thermostat housing, tensioner, coil, alternator bracket, some valve covers because I did not have no valve covers, a timing cover, and I also got the distributor. And I also got one more thing, well, two more things that's going to be a surprise at the end, so stay tuned to the end of this video. I'm excited to see how this turns out because I feel like it's going to really look like an engine. You know about these power steering pulleys, they're not just a simple bolt on, bolt off. You need a special tool. Luckily, AutoZone have this kit. This one's kind of worn down, but that's the part number for it. They have this kit so you can use it to remove it, and I'm going to show you how. You guys spray this down with some WD-40, some PB Blaster, some Unicorn P, something. All right, you get this tool, you can use this, and you got to get these little half moon cuts. The way this is going to work is you got to put it right here in the middle, grab the C cups, put one on the top, one on the bottom, and then you grab this sleeve right here. You put it over the sleeve, tighten it up. What you want to get is a 17mm ratchet and also a 19mm wrench. I have an adjustable. I don't know where my 19 is, but adjustable should work. Just constantly just try and tighten it. It's going to be tight, especially since this came out the junkyard. The C cups are also double-sided, so whichever side you need, flip it to that side. You take it off, double check it's sliding through, and it is sliding through, so we can keep going with it. And there we go, we got it off. It also comes with this, so you can put it back on there. Just a smooth side, nothing on it. And the way it works, you get your pulley, make sure this end is out, because you put it in this way, you won't have a fun time trying to get this off. So make sure it's on like that. You put it on there, and then you can just thread it on there. And once you bottom it out, all you have to do is tighten that. Hold this and you can just keep tightening that, and that should push it down. But we're not going to do that because I'm not 100% sure if this power steering pump is good. We just got it on here because I didn't have the tool to take it off from the junkyard. We might use it, we might not. We might end up going with a different route of a power steering. We might not run any power steering, so I don't know. Let's just see.
Make prolific confessions into the master plan. I feel like they will never let me shine. What do you need to say that feels so great?
I'm going to keep this as a spare part just in case.
So much better than mine. I gotta wait in line for you. I got to hold
I also ran into a problem. I have this oil dipstick tube and dipstick, and I'm trying to put it in where it's supposed to be at, but it bottoms out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get me a new dipstick, which sucks because this is nice, and now I realize I can't even use it. And if you have paid attention, you probably seen what's the last mod for this. Let me go ahead and install it. I really like how this engine is turning out now. I know it's look crusty right now, but I mean, all of this came from the junkyard, so what do you expect? And of course, we had to put the BBK long tube headers on there, and we also got a BBK X pipe right over there. That was a surprise. But I'm starting to think that this might not be on here much longer. I have other plans for the Fox body, so we'll see in the future. Of course, I'm going to clean it up. It's not going to stay like this. I'm going to put a nice coat of paint on the valve covers, the intake, engine block. Well, the engine block is not bad. It's black already, so that's good. Comment down below what you want to see with this 5.0 motor, as far as color scheme, different stuff that I can try and do. I'm thinking about modifying this bracket right here and cutting off the smog pump, because I won't be running that since it's going to be a track car. AC is kind of 50-50. I'm not sure if I can get all the stuff for it. I'm gonna run AC. If not, But yeah, let me know about the paint color scheme or whatever you think we should try on this. I'm thinking red, white, and blue, and probably some black. Let me know. Comment down below. And before I stop the video, I gotta tell you something that you need to know. We're trying to do some upgrades to this. What kind of mods? I can show you. Make sure you check out this video right here. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.